Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondyland, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. We'll dive deep into local cultures, must-see attractions, try out new cuisines, and even share some travel hacks to help you travel smarter. Zondyland has got you covered. Here's a step-by-step travel guide from Manila International Airport to Bantayan Island, Cebu, Philippines. I booked a ticket to Cebu at 3:20 p.m. Travel time from Manila to Cebu is 1 hour and 20 minutes. I arrived at Mactan-Cebu International Airport at 5:45 p.m. You can book GrabCar or taxi at the airport. I checked in at Bayfront Hotel. I chose this hotel because it is just a 200-meter walking distance to Cebu North Bus Terminal, which has the buses going to Hagnaya Port. After checking in at the hotel, I walked towards the bus terminal to check their schedule the next day. The earliest trip from Cebu to Hagnaya Port is at 5 a.m. and the final trip is at 6:30 p.m. It is highly recommended that you take early morning schedules so you can still board the ships from Hagnaya Port going to Bantayan Island. In my case, I took the 7:15 a.m. trip. Regular ticket fee is 260 pesos. Bus operator is Ceres line. Travel time is 3 to 4 hours. There is one bus stop in the middle of the trip at bus stop where you can go to comfort room or take a snack. I arrived at Hagnaya Port at 10:30 a.m. Hagnaya to Santa Fe trips are from 1 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. I took the 11:30 a.m. trip. Ferry options are from Super Shuttle Ferry and Island Shipping Company. Fare is 300 pesos per person. Ferries depart every 1.5 to 2 hours. Travel time is approximately 1 to 1.5 hours. I arrived at Santa Fe Port, Bantayan Island at 1:15 p.m. Tricycles are the most common mode of transportation on the island. You can easily find them at the port to take you to your accommodation. Fare is 50 pesos. If you plan to explore the island on your own, motorbikes are available for rent at 300 pesos for 24 hours at the port or nearby. I booked at Sandscape Hotel for my 4 days and 3 nights stay, which costs 1,500 pesos per night for a room for 2. Other tips: book in advance. If you're traveling during peak season, it's advisable to book ferry tickets and accommodations in advance. Cash is king. Bring enough cash as there are limited ATMs on Bantayan Island and not all establishments accept credit cards. And finally, travel light. While ferries can accommodate luggage, traveling light makes the journey more comfortable, especially when boarding or disembarking. In summary, taking taxi or Grab from Mactan-Cebu International Airport to Cebu North Bus Terminal will take 30 to 45 minutes. Riding a bus from Cebu North Bus Terminal to Hagnaya Port will take 2.5 to 4 hours. Riding a ferry from Hagnaya Port to Bantayan Island is around 1 to 1.5 hours. And finally, tricycle ride from Santa Fe Port to your accommodation will take 5 to 15 minutes. Your total travel time from Cebu Airport to Bantayan Island will be approximately 6 to 7 hours, including waiting times. This is On the Land, your favorite travel buddy. Thanks for watching!